wait to get a little taste of home. A plate of mama's alligators etouffee.
You've been talking about barbecue gators and crickets for the last 2 weeks. I'm never going to your mama's house, Fig. I promise.
But
I'm not going to your mama's house.
gators are known to have the most succulent meat.
I understand.
Con un poquito de arroz con habichuela
Right.
y unos tostoncitos por el lado.
English, please.
English. I mean, how many times we don't speak Spanish? I told
Why
you
you
that.
gotta ruin it for me, man? That's my heritage. Siempre me estás jodiendo por la misma mierda. De que...
Go with the Spanish, whatever.
Hey, you guys remember weekends? Huh? The Sox at Fenway, cold hot dog and a flat beer.
Perfect day. What about you, Captain? You got a perfect day?
Man, I just can't wait to hold my baby girl for the first time.
Oh, yeah, I gotta keep
Shut up.
I'm ready to do this.
Hey, any of y'all grow some balls, come see me on the court, man. Hey!
Watch this crossover, though. Like Jordan in his prime, pushing through the front line. Step aside, ladies.
Lennox!
Hey, what are you doing?
Waters?
Oh, thank you. Are you gonna help me with the gear?
Colonel Sharp, we have an inbound unidentified infiltrator 10 miles out.
Unidentified aircraft, you are in restricted U.S. military airspace.
Walk, ident, and proceed east out of the area.
Raptors 1 and 2, snap to heading 250 to intercept. Bogey's in the weeds 10 miles out, not squawking. Unidentified aircraft, we will escort you to U.S. SOC-CENT Air Base. If you do not comply, we will use deadly force.
Copy on the bogey. Tail, 4500 X-ray.
Sir, says here 4500X was shot down 3 months ago, Afghanistan.
It's got to be a mistake. Check again, then recheck.
I did, sir. A friend of mine was on that chopper.
Unidentified aircraft. We'll escort you to U.S. SOC-CENT.
Radar, where's the inbound?
Bogey's 5 miles out, sir.
My wife on?
Yes, Captain.
Ah, my ladies!
Oh my goodness, look at her. She's getting so big. Look at those cheeks. I just want to chew on them. Baby, we made a good-looking kid. I know that people say that all the time, but wow, we made one good-looking kid. Nice work.
She has your laugh.
She laughed?
Her first one, yeah.
You sure she didn't just fart?
No, she's a lady. She doesn't know you yet, but she will.
4500X, something's not right.
Bogey's on the deck.
Whoa. Radar's jammed. It's coming from the chopper.
Well?
Sarah. Hey, Sarah, if you can hear me, I love you. I'll be home soon. Check fire! Get your bill!
MH-53 pilot, power down now. Have your crew step out or we will kill you.